Hi, this is Eric with Pulse Real Estate. Stay tuned for helpful information on maximizing your return on investment by purchasing off-plan properties in Phuket. Buying off-plan property is by far the best way to maximize your return on investment. This is done through a combination of buying at lower prices, taking advantage of discounts and special offers that are available only in the initial stages of development, as well as enrolling in guaranteed rental return programs. If you're buying for residential purposes, buying off-plan is still a good idea because you're going to get your pick of the best unit if it's a condominium or the best lot if it's a villa. As well, you're going to get better opportunities to make early customizations to things such as built-in appliances or loose furniture. But buying off-plan isn't for everyone. Some people need to definitely see the actual property that they're buying in its final state, or some people simply aren't prepared to deal with the risk associated with buying property off-plan. However, modern 3D renderings as well as due diligence can help alleviate both of these concerns. For now, let's highlight a few of the considerations. We'll cover pros first. The number one pro, obviously, is related to a lower sales price. Current research shows that purchasing off-plan is going to save the buyer between 25 and 30% of the final project price once the project is completed. Then there are also special discounts that developers offer, as well as little freebies along the way. A second benefit of buying off-plan property are the staged payments at 0% interest, allowing buyers without the initial funds to get in and lock their property down early stages. As I mentioned earlier, the other two benefits of buying off-plan properties are better choice of plots as well as condominium units, and then the customization factors related to built-in appliances and loose furniture. A full list of pros and cons are available in our in-depth article, which is available by clicking the link in the video description below. For now, let's go over some of the major concerns. First, there are the inherent risks. It's unavoidable, but they can be mitigated through thorough research and the use of good, talented lawyers. Another unavoidable concern is the risk due to delays. As with any other major project, delays are part and parcel of the endeavor and something that buyers will have to bear in mind. Then there's the issue of end product discrepancy. It may come up due to supply chain issues, supply costs, or just fickle developers. It can happen. However, good contracts will protect buyers from these issues. Other issues to take into consideration include project completion schedules, floor plans and overall project designs, late payment penalties for buyers, late construction penalties for developers, as well as ensuring developers have the required land titles, licenses, and permits. When buying off-plan, due diligence is particularly important. Here are a few helpful tips. First and foremost, you're going to need some very good research on the developer and the construction company. Second, hire a good lawyer to review contracts, make sure that they are clear, using concise terms in the event that any issues arise. Third is to compare the projects with the best prices and the best return for your money, including rental guarantees, including the quality of the building materials and overall design. Pulse prides itself on listing off-plan projects from the best developers with proven histories of success. From investment properties to residential properties, from short-term project completion dates to long-term, we'll advise you with your preferences and your best interests in mind. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos such as the Elite Visa, as well as Phuket neighborhood profiles. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you soon.